Why do you think इंडिया के अंदर लोग कम बच्चे कर रहे हैं? Why are they dropping out of the child birthing process?
So the thing,
Especially in urban centers.
yeah. So the thing is that rearing a child is a very big responsibility in terms of the cost it involves, financial, psychological. Then there's a very high opportunity cost also. As I was telling you outside also कि जो biological clock है और जो career clock है वो दोनों conflict में रहती हैं. They're competing with each other. 30s is when you're peaking in your career, and 30s is when your biological clock to reproduce also starts hitting. So you have to make a call. Now some women do not want to give up on the career they've worked hard for 30 years, and you know, but at the same time, the idea of having a child, or you know, generally also it's a beautiful process, so you don't want to miss out on it. Yeah, this idea that you're incomplete if you don't have a child, or just for the sake of experience, or for the sake of continuing the civilization and progeny and all those things, you want to have a child, but you're always in a dilemma what to do. That is why now that we are moving towards a society which is more individualistic, where we talk about me, myself, what I want, my needs, you know, how I want to live my life, my body, or my career, or so much of dependence. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, पहले जो है डिवोर्स रेट बहुत कम था, उसके बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं, बट तब एक सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मेल्स भी एसोसिएट करते थे कि डिवोर्स नहीं ले सकते. उस तो कभी विमेन को नीड ही नहीं लगती थी क्योंकि
Sacrifice for the family good.
yeah, there's this concept of disposable man, that a man has to sacrifice for the family.
अगर आपको इस पॉडकास्ट की छोटी छोटी झलक देखनी है तो उसका क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब करें.
You know, they will eventually become disposable because they would keep giving for the family. But anyway, coming back to the point that I was trying to bring in, that women had this trust that they will be taken care of in a joint family system even if the spouse is dead. We have seen examples where women would be taken care of by the joint family system. Now we are moving towards a nuclear family system, and men women both feel my space, my needs, what I want to do. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि गारंटी है कि आपका स्पाउस पूरी ज़िंदगी आपका ख्याल रखेगा. तो इसलिए औरतों को लगता है कि यार मैं अपना करियर भी गिव अप कर दूँ, मैं अपनी बॉडी भी गिव अप कर दूँ, एंड व्हाट इफ दिस रिलेशनशिप ऑल्सो डजंट वर्क आउट, what do I have to count on to? So this idea of independence is kind of you know, taking away.
It's a double-edged sword, this independence.
Of course, I agree.
जैसे जैसे मैं अपने आसपास ज़माने में देखता हूँ और मैं आदमी औरत को बराबरी से स्वतंत्र होते हुए देखता हूँ और अपनी डिमांड्स पुट फोर्थ करते हुए देखता हूँ, मुझे वो गांव के बूढ़े याद आते हैं और उनकी सिंपल ज़िंदगी याद आती है. एंड आई थिंक अबाउट deliberately the way culture is heading. It's almost like you realize in some ways you're so traditional. You didn't care so much because उस टाइम पे जो ट्रेडिशनल का स्पेक्ट्रम था वो इतना ज़्यादा उस तरफ था, इतना ज़्यादा.
बिल्कुल, तब डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस हाई था, डाउरी हाई था, विमेन एजुकेशन नहीं थी, विमेन वुड नॉट, अब मिसेज हम देखते हैं, विमेन वुड नॉट, इवन इन प्रिविलेज्ड हाउस होल्ड्स, विमेन वुड नॉट गेट डोमेस्टिक हेल्प, और सारा काम खुद कर रही हैं, उनसे हो पा रहा नहीं हो पा रहा, अपनी इच्छाएं दबानी पड़ती थी. तो इंडिपेंडेंस के बहुत सारे प्रोज भी हैं.
Of course.
बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग आउट हियर इज, एंड आई एम ऑलवेज pro independence, like you can always opt for surrogacy. There's so many kids waiting to get adopted. You can do that if you don't want to you know, go through childbirth on your own.
Do you think there is nothing redeeming about the traditional model where the sexes have the roles divided completely?
As in
The traditional model of rearing a child कि आप अपने इन लॉज को और अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को इन्वॉल्व करो